Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's beginner's video I have a 2014 Chevy Traverse and I will show you how to end the windshield washer fluid. This video should apply to first generation of these vehicles made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so adding the fluid is very easy and straightforward. First you want to leave the front hood and the windshield washer reservoir is right here. So you want to remove this cap and pour the fluid in. Before doing so, I will also give you one more advice. If you are doing this in the summer, it's a good idea to use the summer fluid because it's specially formulated to remove the bugs and glue from the bugs from the windshield. But if you are doing this in the winter, always try to use like a winter fluid. You can maybe get away with the all-season one, but winter fluid will not freeze up inside the reservoir. For example, I live in a very cold climate in the winters, and if I have summer fluid inside, it's gonna freeze up, and then it's a big problem in the winter because you won't have the fluid. So then you have to take the vehicle to a warm shop or a car wash or something like that, so this melts. So like I said, pay attention to that. Okay, now to add the fluid, like I said, it's pretty straightforward. It's a good idea to use the funnel so don't make a mess. Yeah, get the bottle and fill it in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.